Frustrated and fed up, firefighters across 9 parishes are now on strike to press home their demand for the government to settle various wage-related issues.
The action started earlier today with a sick-out by drivers, mechanics and auto body repairmen, and that has transformed into a full-fledged strike starting with the 3 to 10 p.m. shift.
Later, we will have a look at the industrial action with the General Secretary of JALGO. But first, a look at what happened today in St. James. Here's TVJ's Anthony Lugg.
Firefighters' uniform on racks on the compound of the Freeport fire station. But on the outside, scores of firefighters brandishing placards sending a clear message. They've had enough.
This is all about answers. They are not getting anything from the brigade. We've written ultimatums to the brigade and we did not get any feedback. So that is why the members are here taking this action.
Firefighters island-wide staged a stick-out, but members here say it's just too much. Their discontent ranges from retroactive money, the adjustment of pay scales, among other issues. The condition of this fire station was highlighted during a primetime news exclusive on April 17.
And this is what we have to put up with. The station is in a very bad state. Compounded what I have told you so far, it is now people are at their wits' end and they just want the situation to be remedied. And they want the hierarchy to look out for their best interests.
So how long is this sick-out expected to last?
We can't give you a time frame currently, but all I can say is that normalcy cannot be guaranteed going forward until these issues are addressed.
If there should be a house fire and an accident, there won't be anybody to go to that accident scene. That's what you're saying, sir?
We are on industrial action.
In the meantime, the Jamaica Fire Brigade says it has not been affected by the sick-out involving its civilian workers. Public Relations Officer for the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Emilia Ebanks, told our news team the brigade is still able to respond to emergencies. The National Workers Union, NWU, says discussions have been ongoing since 2015 for improvements in wage and fringe benefits for drivers, mechanics, and auto body repairmen. NWU Vice President Arthur Grant is calling for the local government ministry and the Jamaica Fire Brigade to resume negotiations. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.